Update weather for today in my village. Today is February 20 and time now in Pakistan is 9:35 p.m. It's a mild snow, but I think it's more coming again for snow. Update weather in my village, Creek Rawlakot, Azad Kashmir. Today is February 20 and today is Thursday and time now in Pakistan is 9:35 p.m. It's a mild snow, but it's very cold. It's a freezing temperature. But I think snow is coming again because as you can see the sky, very bad weather for today. Last night or I think morning time, it's raining. But when I wake up morning time, when my husband he wake up, he said there is snow. But I don't believe because I think only rain. Because this first time for snow here, last December, January, there is there is no snow, just only mild snow like hailstorm like that. But today there is not. It's mild snow. Ayan, oh. But it's very cold. It's freezing temperature. But Alhamdulillah, there is already rain because how many months there is no rain. Everything is dry. Now, Alhamdulillah, rain and snow. So, Alhamdulillah, we have abundance now of water. Water is very important because if there is no rain, there is no water. Yan, oh. May konting snow doon sa bubong. Ayan. Because only mild snow. So, little bit snow. Ayan, maglakad tayo. Ayan, paan ng aso. Ayan, may snow, oh. Nag-i-snow. snow, 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 snow. Ayan, kumakapal na ang snow. Oh. Ayan, ulan na ng snow, oh. Update weather now. Time check is 12:06 noon. Morning time, I make video around 9:30 a.m. but there is no snow falling at that time. Now it's coming. Snow falling. Oh, snow. Bert, snow falling. Heavy snow. Yan. As you can see the rooftop. Oh, ayan. Ang daming snow. Oh, ayan. Snow falling pa. Oh. Oh.